The new creator economy is not going to be centered around static content like images or videos, but rather on interactive, immersive experiences and real-time 3D content. I'm George, I'm a 3D artist and a VR developer, and I'm the founder of UnfoldVR. In this video, I will walk you through how we're solving some of the critical aspects around this new creator economy and the emerging metaverse ecosystem. Join me. UnfoldVR aims to decentralize asset creation and discovery for the metaverse. Now, why is this important? Well, the concept of the metaverse implies both the concept of massive worlds and that of highly diverse avatars. And this in turn creates a big need for content, for interesting content, and for content creators to be incentivized to make this. Now, what exactly can you make with UnfoldVR? Well, you can create, share, and discover virtual worlds. With our VR app, anybody can create interesting content using easy-to-use tools with high aesthetics, and the results will always be highly optimized for the web and the VR. We want creators to take their content wherever they want. So we built a robust 3D NFT framework which right now supports your own 3D NFTs, and by the end of this year we'll be supporting minting functionality of creations made with UnfoldVR. Our goal is to let creators focus on their craft while we focus on distribution, optimization, and essentially compatibility with other metaverse projects. But it may take years for the metaverse to become a reality. So discovery becomes an important incentive for creators to stay on our platform. We see UnfoldVR as a TikTok for virtual content where you can discover creations made by other artists, you can discover their profiles and their NFTs, and you can essentially jump from a virtual world to a virtual world, much like you swipe from a video to another, only in this case the content is interactive and we can support multi-user scenarios. So how exactly are we achieving all this? Well, we built a VR app with Unreal Engine 5 and we paired it with a web app which is hosted on the ICP blockchain. You can sign up using your internet identity or even using your Google account. Once you're in, you have the option of pairing your wallets and we'll source all the NFTs you have them and allow you to set which ones you want to make public or not. You only have a limited number of public NFTs, and those will also be available within the VR app to configure your lobby space. We'll automatically spot which NFTs are 3D and let you interact with them and even play with them in AR if you're on a mobile device. On the VR app, the first thing that you'll see is a pairing code. Just type that into the web app and the two will be paired. All the data from the web app will go to the VR app and vice versa. 3D NFTs will be downloaded on the headset as soon as you pair it, and all your history and save game data as well as 2D NFT links will be sent to the VR headset as well. Then you can select and start configuring your lobby space using 3D and 2D NFTs. We included some placeholders just in case you don't have any in your wallet. You have multiple lobby spaces to choose from, and we'll be offering extensions to this in the future. But most importantly, you can jump in and create metaverse-ready virtual content. We wanted our creation tools to feel very friendly for new users, but also allow enough flexibility for professionals to create really amazing artworks. Once you save your drawing, that is instantly saved on the blockchain as well, and you'll be able to mint it later on. Making content using only the web app without the VR app is a feature coming later this year, along with the ability to mint that content as a 3D NFT. Discovering 3D artworks made by other creators will be made available early next year. We're building our solution on the ICP blockchain, and this is because we think the metaverse needs to be decentralized. Now, of course, decentralization doesn't mean necessarily blockchain or cryptography, but these are the best tools that we have. And ICP allows for blockchain transparency and agnosticism. And transparency is important because at the end of the day, we're trying to reach the VR community, the young creators, and they don't care and they shouldn't care about the underlying infrastructure. What they do care is that they own their data, they own their creative artworks, and they're able to monetize and share them freely without some central authority controlling how and what they are supposed to do on that platform. At UnfoldVR, we are building the infrastructure for this new immersive creator economy. Sign up at unfoldvr.com, join our Discord, our Twitter. We really need to hear your feedback, and we're still early on, so we want to build this with you. All the links, all the informations are in the description of this video. Until next time, I'm George.